Hey guys, Jason with Starkey here, and today I'd like to talk to you about our 6280 bed lighting kit, which fits the 2017 to 2022 Super Duties. This is going to be the absolute easiest way to add bed lights to your Super Duty. Before I talk about the product itself, I'd like to explain a little bit more about how it works. You can control these bed lights one of two ways. The first way is by pressing your cargo light button on the headlight switch. That'll activate the bed lights for up to 10 minutes. The second way is by pressing unlock on your key fob. Every Super Duty is going to have this connection beneath the tailgate, but some are what we call pre-wired while others are not. If your truck is, the installation of all these components is going to be very, very simple and take you under 10 minutes. If you're not pre-wired, there is an additional part you need and a couple extra steps. Check out the product description for more information on how to determine if your truck is pre-wired. This product's really going to be a home run for any Super Duty owner out there. The lights themselves are comparable to OEM in output and quality, but what you're really purchasing from us are well-manufactured electrical components. We are assembling these products right here at our facility in Central Florida, and nothing about them is imported or subpar. Additionally, we've designed this product specifically for the Super Duty platform, and we back it up with the warranty and support that you deserve. Thanks for watching.